This is the best way to earn passive income in 2024. I firmly believe that. But why? Like, why am I mining Bitcoin? And this isn't a philosophical video or anything like that. I mean, like seriously, I get this question all the time because we post YouTube videos and making some TikToks and all that stuff and whatever. And the thing is, it's just like, why do you do that? Why don't you just do something else? Or why don't you just buy the coin? Well, that's today's video. My name's Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel, and I've been working on building my own full-time Bitcoin cryptocurrency mining farm. And I have a pretty exciting end game. At least I think so. All right, so I'll talk about the pod here in a second, but this is the gray shed. This is the first thing that really touched down here on the farm. It's been converted into basically being the immersion shed. So troubleshooting a miner, and it's getting crazy in here. Most of these aren't set up. We just got these, but one is, and that's the DCX immersion deployment. So there's 8 Bitcoin miners in there. One, it's super freaking cool. I love this stuff, and it's intoxicating in like a nerdy way. So 8 Bitcoin miners in there. Market's ticked up. Basically, all my Bitcoin miners are earning over $10 a day before the electricity cost, right? So this is the dry cooler. This is what cools this thing, and so that's kind of that in a nutshell. And I'm working on other stuff with this. You know, we'll get to that when we get to that. I want to kind of run you through what I'm running right now and how that's going, and then I'll flesh out the why. Right? It's kind of like a status update, and then, you know, I don't know, we'll go from there. So this is the hard drive mining shed. I'm having an issue with a couple of my evergreen miners right now. It's getting frustrating, but overall this endeavor is going well. Super long runway because these things basically cost nothing to run. They're expensive to get into, but very cheap to operate, and it really gives me a long runway. And I'm hoping, you know, the main coin I'm mining in there, which is Chia, has a big upside. It's also going to function as a data center, so I'm going to deploy a server rack in there and do much more than I'm currently doing. But I can only do so many things at a time, right? So this is the pod, running about 20 miners in there right now. Mining every coin you can probably think of that can be ASIC mined, from Cadena, Zcash, obviously Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Nervos Network, CKB, Monero, XMR. I'm doing it all in there. And basically the way it breaks down, I'm mining a little bit over $200 per day in Bitcoin with my 19 Bitcoin miners. I've got a couple more Bitcoin miners on the way. I guess you could say I'm addicted or a maniac, or, you know, I'm bold with a vision. Then I'm mining a little bit over $200 again in altcoin mining. A big blunt of that altcoin mining profitability is going to be my Ice River KS3M. I'll show you that here in a second. And then I'm making about 15 bucks a day with the hard drive mining. For what it is, it's a lot of money for the returns, but again, that is the cheapest to operate by far. I mean, the pod generates me an electric bill in the literal thousands of dollars, whereas the hard drive mining shed, the DIY data center, the green one, it generates me an electric bill of $100. So my returns way lower, my expenses way lower. And I'm hoping by the end of the month that the immersion shed is basically fully built out, and I'll have built that to capacity. I'm still out here operating on single phase electricity. I'm working towards 3-phase. And, you know, to skip ahead a little bit in the video, because I'm right here, you know, we actively farm out here. So this is our farm. I stopped the developer from developing this. You know, it's funny, like, I've noticed we had a TikTok short go viral, especially went viral on YouTube, and it was getting like 10,000 views an hour for a while. That's just crazy metrics. And everybody's a sheep, you know, as we run through this comment section, you know, they're saying, oh, destroying the environment, oh, wire management sucks, oh, so dumb, oh, get a job. And I'm just like, dude, you're an idiot, man. You don't know anything about anything. And without going into a bunch of different, rebuttals and reasoning, whatever, the bottom line is so many people are just sheep controlled by mainstream media, and they're right where they belong. That's the bottom line. I've done more for the environment than most people will ever do. And it's not so I could feel good about it and post it online. I mean, I'm doing that now after being attacked, I guess. But I do this just simply because I want to. And if nothing else, I want to be in the woods and I don't want to see a neighborhood here. And instead of making my electric company rich, I'm going to replace, a very small portion of what we farm with solar panels, and I'm going to generate my own electricity. Why? It's better for everybody. In the end, I'm making my own electricity. I'm not making my electric company rich, and going green. And then by becoming my own electricity producer, once I can break even on the panels, these miners, instead of needing to clear their electricity costs, they could literally just make a couple bucks a day, and that's worth it. If they make anything, and I got the juice, why not? And there's the end game, and it's going to be a lot of meetings. I need to get a specialist, lawyer on the line. But I'm going to go back and forth with my electric company and see if they will buy my electricity at a lucrative rate. And, I mean, honestly, what people may start to realize, and I want to be quoted on this because not a lot of people are saying this yet, is that there's going to be a huge money-making opportunity with just basically mining the sun. People are going to just deploy solar, and sell it back because there's going to be an energy shortage, not because of Bitcoin mining, you sheeps. It's going to be because of the electric cars that they've been shoving down your throat. Oh, gas guzzlers are so bad. You know what's great? Casper mining. That's why we got a Casper mining corner. But I got the KS3M over there, the KS1, the KS0, and then there's a little Ethereum Classic Jazz miner up there. It's just, why? I think buying coins is freaking boring. 1. 2, I want to. VoskCoin's a vlog. It's my mining journey. I couldn't thank people anymore for, subscribing, sticking around, and repeatedly tuning in. But let's just not forget that literally day 1 on the channel, I was mining. I was GPU mining. Literally day 2, I was reviewing an ASIC miner. Nothing about VoskCoin has changed. It's the same thing. I'm doing the same stuff 7 years later. It's fun. I'm trying to do it on a larger scale. You know what's cool? Passive income. You know what's even cooler? You earning passive income. And you can start doing that today by ordering an ASIC mining rig from ASIC Marketplace. Well, I mean, it's in their name. They better be good at this, right? And don't forget to punch in the code VoskCoin to save some coin the next time you order from them. I've been fortunate to make some progress over the years. And with that, I want to scale and build my refuge. And, it's how I like to spend my time. Work's not work for me. I love this stuff. I mean, what do I do, right? What do I do in the life of myself? I like to do a lot of crypto stuff. Like to get some gaming in, right? Like to spend time with my friends and family. And, of course, the cutest pup in the world, that's going to be Tails. I love guns. Proud firearm owner. And it's just a necessity for self-defense, if nothing else. And you may have noticed when I was in VoskCoin HQ over there, which is still yet another work in progress, I like cars. And I race cars. Or even more specifically, I do time attack. So this is what I do. I mean, I love this stuff. A lot of people, I realize they don't understand, or they hate online, or they cling to like a decrepit fiat system. I mean, what's the US dollar back? Newsflash, nothing, okay? How about gold? Manipulated! And they outlawed that, like 100 years ago. But the bottom line is, Bitcoin's not perfect, but cryptocurrency is an incredible thing. And let's just put this simply. Bitcoin is better than the US dollar. But in all seriousness, right? I mean, like Social Security, Ponzi scheme. And then they try to say crypto's a Ponzi scheme. At the end of the day, I've always loved electronics and tinkering, business, just all these, unique endeavors. And what Bitcoin mining and altcoin mining and all this other stuff does is it gives me an avenue to just have fun and play with all this tech stuff, all the while chasing passive income. I mean, I'm tuning my machines, right? You look at my liquid cooled miners, They're utilizing Brains firmware. It's letting me tune the machines. And with that, it brings me back kind of like to the GPU mining days where, we're all like, oh, BIOS this, overclock that, look at these settings on this coin, this, that, whatever. And woo! So I'm a fan now. I'm going crazy. Fired up today. Oh, jeez. Now I sound like Morty.
Oh, jeez, okay. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, I mean, if nothing else, this shit's a lifestyle. This is such a unique opportunity that some people, instead of taking advantage of, participating in, they hate on it. I mean, people are quick to hate on things they don't understand, or they see somebody else and they think, it's easy money. I mean, one guy made a comedy called it's like Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining are sleazy. I'm just like, listen to yourself. What do you mean sleazy? I don't waste my time hating on other people. I don't waste my time thinking about, like, what's this guy doing? I think about what the I'm doing. What can I do? How can I be better tomorrow? I totally prescribe to that basic mindset of how can I just be 1% better tomorrow? How can I just do one thing a little bit better, increase my efficiency, refine something? Sometimes things go backwards. Repair it, fix it up. Just get a freaking handle on things, and then just start pushing forward. At the end of the day, I agonize over like what I'm doing, and I'm not so feeble that like I can go over here and like get really upset by what this person's doing. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong. I can get annoyed when 1,000 people hate on me mining and Bitcoin because of, things that they don't even understand. One guy was making fun of me. He's like, oh, you can't mine a whole Bitcoin with that, you idiot. And I'm like, bro, you don't even understand Bitcoin mining. Like, I'm in a Bitcoin mining pool. He was saying, another guy, kind of the same thing. Another guy was like, dude, you can't mine Bitcoin. It's not $200. So, like, you're a liar. It's like, what? This other guy's like, oh, you like that because you evade your taxes. I'm like, bro, I pay a lot of money in taxes. It's ridiculous. I mean, taxes is a scam. Yes. But do I pay it? Yes. Because the government is literally a professional organized gang that will come and beat the crap out of me, take my money, and put me in jail. So whether you love the government or not, you're probably paying your taxes or you're playing a dangerous game. But it was just crazy. Like, I really invite you guys, I'm going to link it out below. Please go through the comments. I mean, if you're a subscriber, you're obviously smart. And you'll find some of these comments, like, laughable and infuriating. If nothing else, it'll probably entertain you for longer than you'd expect it to. But, yeah, I mean, like, for me, why? Like, what do I do this? I mean, so I'm like, really proud of the dollar figure that I referenced earlier. Like, the farm's making a lot of money right now. And VoskCoin's a unique opportunity, to leverage the YouTube side of what we do, the connections we've built over the years, everything like that, right? I mean, some of our miners we get into review, and then I just run them. Incredible. Some of the miners I simply buy. Fine. This was not a free mining farm, and a ton of work and labor has gone into it for almost a decade. But I have been able to reap unique benefits and rewards over the years. True. I'm not ashamed of that. I'm proud of that. I'm proud of VoskCoin. I'm proud of all this. I'm proud to own a farm. I'm proud to be digital farming. I mean, I'm fortunate to be doing these things, but I'm not lucky. I made this. Like, this wasn't handed to me. Literally nothing's been handed to me. I mean, like, go watch the older videos. You can literally watch my timeline. It's been documented for 7 years. The reality is, 7 years ago, I wasn't where I wanted to be. I was unhappy. I was in a crappy job. And then Tails, who I absolutely love, adore, and cherish, almost died, kickstarting me on this crazy crypto journey. One of the only reasons that things have worked out for me to any degree is because I work hard consistently for years. A lot of people just sit there, woe is me. Yeah, woe is you. If some of these people would spend all the time they're sitting there feeling sorry for themselves, or like hating on other people, or obsessed with some BS, working on themselves, working on their own business, working on their own education, working on their own career, developing their own skills, they'd be better off. But that's easier said than done. And it's a grind. Not every day is easy, and I'm frustrated frequently. But for me, this is cool. This is the dream. And I'm not there yet. I got a lot of things I need to, fix, tune up, iron out the bugs. I was overwhelmed with stuff to do, and these damn weeds came in certain areas and took over a lot of my gravel. It sucks. I mean, it's shit to do, shit to fix. But I'm year over year, I'm happy with my progress, and that's all I can do and ask for. So, as it stands, the VoskCoin mining farm is closer to the dream I have of it, today, as opposed to last month. And I hope that I can say the next thing next month. And I'm not just going to be sitting here hoping. You can't race on hopes and dreams. Toretto taught me that. All seriousness though, I mean, it's like that means in between now and then, I'm gonna put the work in. I'm gonna get it done. Or, god dang it, I'm gonna try. Hey, that's all I got. There's a lot more going on, but I'll make some other videos that are, on point, structured, focus, and we'll work through that as we do. If you stick around and watch the content, you're freaking incredible. Thank you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We're chasing 1 million subscribers. And I will say, thanks to the viral video, our subscribers have gone up, a lot recently. So that's cool and refreshing given the market conditions where things, VoskCoin among Bitcoin has been pretty sideways. So, hey, I appreciate you. Get after it. Believe in yourself. The haters. I'll see you on the next one.